Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, Canva AI versus Adobe Firefly. Both are powerful AI image generators, but they cater to slightly different needs. Let's break it down. First up, Canva AI. It's built right into the Canva platform you know and love, making it incredibly easy to use, especially for beginners. It's perfect for creating social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials with its stylized, cartoon-like, and template-driven approach. On the other side, we have Adobe Firefly. As part of the Adobe Creative Cloud, Firefly is designed for professionals. It offers a more illustrative and realistic style, with features like generative fill that allow for incredible control and integration with apps like Photoshop. Firefly is also trained on Adobe Stock's licensed content, which means the images you create are commercially safe. So, which one is for you? If you need quick, easy, and visually appealing graphics for everyday tasks, Canva AI is a fantastic choice. If you're a creative professional looking for high-quality, customizable, and commercially safe AI-generated images that integrate with your existing workflow, Adobe Firefly is the clear winner.